doing before you became a missionary?
Good question. I finished the career as a lawyer in 1999, and then after that I just traveled, interesting travel to the States, and I was in the States already doing some works, and then later on, the moment when I met Bermude, my first contact with God.
Did you say that you were a liar?
Now there is people always, when I tell my story, and I said, really, my life is a miracle, no? That God really touched my life, everything. When I said, because I was a lawyer, I was a cowboy, no? Because I come from a farm, no? My father used to have a farm, politics with cows, horses, pigs, everything, no? A big farm. And from there, I became a lawyer, no liar. And after I became a lawyer, I became missionary, no priest. And I said, I think the people tell me, I think the greatest miracle is when you be a lawyer to be converted. Is it because the lawyers are so hard to convert? This is a real miracle.
Thank you. They always say that vocation is about falling in love. Falling in love with God, and God called him to belong to him. Question, was Jesus your first love?
It is.
So, no girlfriend before?
Well, yes, I have my girlfriends.
How many?
Very few. No, actually, this is a nice story because when I was in the States, I didn't have a girlfriend. When I met Bermude, when I met God. But in the following Jesus as a disciple, I met God in 2001, and I entered as a missionary in 2003. So in 2003. I was moved to an apostolate, but there was a girl who was moving my floor, And later on, when I respond to the call of God, I said, Lord, I will really give you my life, everything, all these stories. And that day, that weekend, I went to do apostolate to that place. And I was the one to give the guidelines that day. At the end of the meeting, that girl approached me, and he said, you know what? I really like the way you speak, And then at the end said, I would like to have a date with you. I said yes to God already. I was honest, and I spoke directly with her. I told her, you know what? I just said yes to God, someone else, and he was his God. And then she said, she was shy. She said, I understand, I understand, and we finish well,
And she cried? So beautiful, how God works and cultivates our hearts for him. Because Jesus is real. He's not just an idea. God is someone that we can fall in love with. Just one last question or one last topic. There are different realities that we call groups in Verbo Bay. There are couples, there are mamas, there are youth, there are kids, there are teenagers, there are married friends. Lucio, which is your favorite reality?
I'm in trouble now. Of course, first of all, the youth, Because I'm working with them. But sometimes I would say, the more youth, Yeah, but I'm so happy with this apostolate since I started today. I started already with youth and handle the groups of the, actually was teenagers. And then I fight along with them, but it was nice. Like I've been working with the mamas as well here. Nice group as well to see how they grow as well. So, I mean, all the relatives, I really enjoyed with all of them. Okay, thank you.
So thank you very much, Joshua. We'll question you later.
El Lucio is for loving.
You for understanding kay. Bisag kung sa kagay na mo bulog, dili mo tumasahay kay naga mo siya namo.
C for courageous. I for inspiration. You inspire by ideas.
O guys, outstanding in our hearts.